You can make this festive 4th of July garland with just yarn and pipe cleaners, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need red, white, and blue yarn, a 3x5 note card, scissors, fingernail clippers, and red, white, and blue pipe cleaners. To make each loose pom-pom, we're going to start wrapping the yarn. You can use a 3x5 card or you can use 4 fingers, whichever is easiest for you. I'm going to use the card and I'm going to keep it really loose, and you want to wrap each color around about 15 times. Cut the first color and add the second color right next to it. Again, we're going to wrap 15 times and remember to keep it really loose. Add the third color, do the same thing. Cut a pipe cleaner in half with the fingernail clippers. And with 1/2 of the pipe cleaner, put it through the loops. Then you can remove the card at this point. Now you're going to keep one end of the pipe cleaner quite a bit longer than the other, about double. And take the two ends and twist them together very tightly to hold the bundle in place. You want to leave this tail alone. We're going to use it later to attach to the garland. And with the longer end of the pipe cleaner, you want to roll it down in a tight coil just to make a circle right at the top there. Now cut through all of the loops of the yarn with your scissors. Smooth the yarn down, and then you can trim the edges so it's even. So you finished one of the loose pom-poms for your garland. Now you need to make as many as you need to complete the length of your garland. I like to alternate red, white, and blue pipe cleaners. Once your pom-poms are finished, cut a piece of string as long as you'd like your garland to be, plus a few extra feet for some extra at the ends. So I'm going to leave about 1.5 feet extra just so I can attach it where I need to. And I'm going to start attaching my pom-poms, and you want to take just the stem that we left free and you can fold it over onto the string and just pinch it tightly. It should stay put. So I'm going to alternate red, white, and blue. I'm going to leave about 6 inches in between, but you can do whatever you think looks good. Once all the pom-poms are attached, you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday ideas and crafts. There's new videos every week, so please subscribe.